All right, what up, what up, what up? Shit. What up? Just making sure everything's working. All right, cool as. What's up, you guys? What's up, TikTok, YouTube? London banger here. Last one of the week. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys' accounts haven't blown up to destiny. No trades for me today. It's been a weird market today. If you guys have been paying much attention, how weird has it been moving, right? Lighting's legit, bro. My lighting's dodgy right now. I need to set it up properly still, but I've just got something there at least. Blown a crazy phase 2 this week. Yeah. Been a tricky one. Yesterday was tricky. Today is pretty tricky. What up, Big Levski, Big Paul, Tommy, John, Mad Lord. Mad Lord, I see what you said before. Change the photo back. Yeah, we have to go back to reality, I guess. But let's do a bit of an overview here on gold real quick. Let's do a bit of an overview here on gold and see what's up. What up, Keith? Billions and... So let's see what the monthly looks like right now. Let's kind of like get a bit of a grasp on where we are with gold as we come into this London session. So the last, 3 months we've kind of been hanging out in this area. If you guys take a look here on the 1 hour, like gold's been consolidating for 3 months. Basically, right? We've just been going sideways for 3 months, which is fine. Bitcoin to zero. Bro, they're gonna love clipping that. I meant in like 5-10 years anyway, but yeah, don't ask me. I'm not a crypto person, so. Yeah, did you see my message, Pez? Sorry, brother. Last minute thing. We'll get it on Monday because I don't want to do it through... I didn't want to do it through Zoom. I wanted it to look more legit. Sorry, guys. I have to go mute here for a sec. So... Can you hear me? Yeah, I know. I unmuted it. It's all right. It's all right. Hello? So gold's starting to flip here on the weekly. This weekly candle is about to flip green. I'm sure it already did today, but it's flipped back red. What strategy to use is price action. Yeah, breakouts and stuff like that. Pay attention to key areas of support and resistance. Yep. Dubai's amazing. Yeah, Dubai's been amazing. Dubai is an amazing place, I would say. So the daily's moving up here. The past 3 days is bullish. This hourly candle. So if we take a look at this 4 hour here, like whatever, but look at this hourly candle. See where these two candles had rejected massively? This is a massive rejection zone for the hours. Like look to the left, even just to the immediate left, what you've got here. Big respected area. If we break above that, it should be a good push. Your blindingly radiant fairness has got me swooning? Swooning? The hell's swooning? This light, bro, it's blinding. Can't even turn it down. It's literally blinding my face off. Yeah, good call, Pez. So 30 looks weird. I mean, 1 hour looks weird. 30 looks fucking super weird. And the 15 is... So let's be patient here today, but I don't know, for whatever, something's going on with the market right now, and this is weird movement. I think we have to admit this is weird movement. Bitcoin's in freaking Saturn. Bitcoin has gone to Saturn. Market will go up. Question mark? I'm not sure. Swooning means mesmerized. Oh, okay. This bitch. I've got 2 seconds. You said what? Okay, I gotta go. TikTok, what are you on about? Just in the last 2 minutes, try to use a... All right, so lock in. Here we are. This is it. This is where we are. And I guess kind of fucking, I mean, I don't know, man. This is weird. Hopefully NQ's got something happening. Does NQ have anything happening? NQ might be the play today. Yeah, NQ might be the play. What's up, Kay? Yeah, I'm doing amazing, brother. Just, yeah, Dubaiing it out. Yep. Nice, Mad Lord. Awesome, brother. Yeah, be careful, because when I moved to here, it's like you got to be careful with like your routine. Fuck, NQ had a nice type 2 earlier. You know how like routine is everything, keeps you structured in the market as well. And when you move in houses and shit like that, it can throw your structure off. Type 3, fuck. Yeah, so if NQ can break below this level, I might look at being interested. Have you seen Iman yet? No. Is he Dubaian, is he? After starting a company at 20 and making 400 million, this is 10 things I've learned. That's that dude, hey. After starting 3 companies at the age of 16 and making $47 million, here's 97 things I learned. It's like, hey bro, go to school? Nah. Hey bro, I just passed my first phase ever 10K challenge, but I'm down. Bro, you were doing so well. And you threw it all away, you idiot. No, I'm only joking, brother. Brother, congratulations firstly. And secondly, welcome to trading. You're going to blow your first account, unfortunately. But the lessons that are learned from that are going to be so cool. And you're going to be so grateful later down the track that it's nothing I could say would ever even make you realize that. So. What up, Jisha? Zest boss. In the Beninging. You ever used Funded Next? Yes, I've been funded with Funded Next before. Just be careful with them because they lower your leverage, your margin amount down quite a lot once you're funded. That reminds me, I'm funded with Prop XP right now. You guys, you can see the 50% off there for Prop XP. I just got funded with them on 100K. I wonder if it's been accepted yet because I just activated start funded chant verification. Oh, they're still processing my verification to get to the funded, to get it activated. Okay. Yeah, I got 50% code off there. Funded next. No trailing drawdown with them guys. No trailing drawdown. You can trade all cryptos. I was freaking trading Dogecoin and yeah, no trailing drawdown. And what was the other thing they do? Oh, they have very little spread, like under a pip. 50% off, unheard of. So get in quick before all the stock's gone. MGC. What do you think about 5%ers? Yeah, I don't know much about them. They were the first ever they were the first ever funding company I ever went with, actually. 5%ers. That was fucking so long ago. I think I bought like one of their $5,000 accounts or something. Yeah, I think I bought one of those $5,000 accounts. Are you moving to Dubai? Your boys already moved. I'm going to put the chat over here because I'm sick of looking over there, actually. Sorry if it looks like I'm ignoring you guys, but I just can't keep looking over that direction. I'm looking over here now. Damn, that's actually way better. Oh, that's so much better. Yo, there's a breakout with volume. Where? Where is this breakout with volume that you speak of, my friend? This is a breakout? This is already done broken out, son. This shit's already done broken out. And that's fucking a fact. This shit already done broken out. I'm filming Dubai vlog episode 3 tomorrow. Anyone that's interested? Filming vlog episode 3 tomorrow. After it broke out. Yeah, now what I would say here, guy that said that it broke out, like the reality of like what I was looking for with the breakout here is the idea is that it breaks below this level and then you ride it down to this level, right? So then it retests and then it pushes back and then you can ride it down to this next level, but it's already pushed through now. So the next breakout level is this level, which it's doing that now, but then you've got to say to yourself, well, fuck, it's pushed all this distance, just one candle. If I'm going to take a breakout below this now, what's the probability of it continuing down without needing to create some more structure first? Is there an easy way I can learn Forex? Yes, just jump on Google, YouTube, start from the ground up. In terms of easy, it depends what your definition of easy is, I guess. You know what I mean? Yeah, it'd be dependent on what your definition of easy is. Coming up to 5-ish years, it's just something. What could I look for now in the market? Ooh, my boy's hunting for a trade. It depends how you trade and stuff like that, bro. I'm not sure. Do you think Trump's gonna drive degen coins? What? Degen coin, DJ Khaled coin. Donk coin. Where do you learn Forex? Google. Just Google. YouTube. Start from the basics. What's the verification? You just have to send ID. For this, because the first time I've been funded with them, so yeah, you send ID for that first banger. Yep. Just send Daniel Holmes a personal logo through your email. Brother, I don't need a new logo. That's the thing. I think I did see that and I appreciate it, but I don't think I don't need a logo. I already have a logo, I mean, sorry. Yeah, I've already got logos. Vlogger. What's up, guys? It's your boy back in Dubai on another video. Hey guys, let's do a get ready with me. This is the easiest things I've failed at. What, trading? I mean, I wouldn't really consider trading easy. I mean, yeah. You can't really like even summarize what trading is in one fucking quote. Why is this too dark? Fuck. Man, this is like giving me a seizure, man. Anyway, fuck it. Anyone who living in Dubai right now? Is it pricey in Dubai? Nah. It depends how you live. Like if we're just talking normal day-to-day life, it's pretty much the same. It's pretty much the same. It's just like living in Brisbane or Sydney. Yeah, what up, Ariel? Good to see you. Where you been at, yo? Where you been at? Too cool for us. No, I don't miss Australia weather. I like the heat. Tradie brings out the real you? Exactly. Exactly. Camp. I mean, yeah, gold might be doing its typical London thing. NQ is like doing crazy shit. It didn't really break below this level either. Yeah, it didn't really break below this level. You thought I wasn't doing London lives anymore? Nah, of course. Wow, look at gold. Just what is gold even? What's gold's deal? Might as well put some text here. I stream during the London Open every day. How much can I learn? As much as your freaking mind can endure. Yeah, wow. Okay. Bitcoin, what are you doing? Meme coin price action stay legit. What's your thoughts on Trump's new coin? Yeah, I have no opinion on any coin or cryptos or anything. Yeah, I got none of that. No pulse on any crypto related shit. But if you want to know about the political and economical state of the world, then bro, missing the bridge view? Yeah, RIP for bridge view, right? I know. Yeah, now I just got a freaking house view. Housos. Yeah, we'll see what NQ wants to do here. It's doing meme coin shit. I'm interested in just like watching Bitcoin because it's just doing crazy shit, but I'm not like trading that. Thoughts on scaling? It depends on your strategy, brother. Depends on your strategy. If you've got a particular type of strategy that favors that type of trading, then do you mean like just scaling into positions? How I open my account? Bro. We can't do this. We can't be doing this. We cannot be doing this. No, like scaling accounts to high capital, like $1 million plus. Well, firstly, you have to actually be able to just scale into $1 million plus. Like, what makes you think you can just magically scale an account to $1 million plus? Trades meow. What up, what up, what up? Rug pull right now, legit. Legit. Oh, Traderholics, haven't seen you in a hot second. What up, my dude? Traderholics in the house. How's Dubai treating me? Dubai's treated me very well. Yeah. Dubai's treated me very well. What's your routine in Dubai? Wake up around 3 a.m., jump on for the Asia stream at 4 a.m. for the mentorship guys. And then to the gym. Then come back, cook breakfast, clean the house. Oh no, sorry. Gym, then beach. That's what I did today. That'll be my routine. And then I come back, clean the house, get ready, do this stream at 11. And then the afternoon, I'll make content and stuff and do other things that I need to get done. And then at night, do more content and stuff that I need to get done. And then sleep. How the women look? Women are beautiful here. Very attractive women here. Living the Ashton Hall routine, legit. You know, I used to see guys that get up that early and be like, oh, I'd think a certain thing, but now I'm like, yeah, I can see why and how and who. Kashi! Yeah, bro, I've been wanting to catch up with you, Cash Dog. I want you. So yeah, for sure. 100%. Even if you're free this weekend, I'm going to be doing a lot of one-on-ones this weekend, you guys in the mentorship. Hey, anyone that's interested in going on the wait list for the mentorship that's launching relatively soon, if you go danielholmestrades.com, you'll see right there at the front page, boom, apply now. We're going to be going through some applications here very soon for those that are serious. Wow, gold is not even nudging. Gold is not even nudging. What's the best thing about Dubai so far? Just like the weather, the people, the environment. And it's on an individual basis. Like I really enjoy it just from where I am at life. It just suits well. It's like, but yeah, Dubai is good. It literally safe here in Dubai. Yeah, very safe as well. Very safe. Yep. Very safe. Pez wakes up at Pez, you need to do an Ashton Hall daily routine about the 9 p.m. wake ups. Bro, what's your top 5 car and to get one day? I don't know about top 5, but I'm probably like everyone that likes Lambos. Lambo. Broom broom. Waking up in Dubai at 3 a.m. feels different than Oz. I don't know about that, but yeah, I don't know. Connect with any friends? Yeah. Dia over here, who's in the mentorship actually, who joined a couple months ago, way before I even thought about moving to Dubai. So I've been catching up. No women. No women, no. I'm banned from Hinge and Tinder's shit here. I got Bumble. I'll see what happens on there. Yeah, exactly. No taxes, exactly. So we've got this 30 closure coming up here in a minute. Let's see. I want a Ferrari. Yeah, gold's just glued. Most people that move to Dubai have within 2 years. What do you think? Wait, what? Have within 2 years what? Oh, leave within 2 years. That's an interesting statistic. I wonder, because you got to think about it like this. If somebody's moving to Dubai for business purposes, maybe they spend the first 2 years setting things up, making money legally. It could be an interesting, the reason for that statistic could be interesting, not for a reason that you might think. You might think, oh, they leave because they realize it's shit. I feel like it would be something more strategic. I'm here for 10 years, yeah. Yeah, I don't know about citizenship just yet. Moved to Dubai from Australia. All right, so there's that closure. I mean, a little bit of support or something here. I don't know. Gold is hella weird, man. Gold is hella weird, and NQ is... I don't even know what you would call NQ. But NQ is still good, so I'll put a note here. Sells below. I'll be interested if we get a break below here. Right? Why not? Type beat. Come to Africa, bro? Yeah, I'll visit Africa for sure. First place I want to visit is the pyramids. A lot of fake accounts texting. Yeah, there's a lot of fake accounts that will be texting. Aaron reckons we're going down. Yeah, who knows? 2 years for connecting, bro. In Dubai, we have right face profile on stream. Wait, what? In Dubai, we have right face profile on stream. Brother, can you write us the broker? Have you ridden a camel yet? Nah. I was at the beach today and they just like walked past casually. Dan, I have once didn't answer the call when I got reached out by your team for the mentorship, but at the time I missed it and also was not ready. Right. Yeah, I don't know what you're trying to say, Alex, but it's either you're ready or not. Like, if you book the call, you're ready, but if you're not, then don't book the call. I'm confused by what you're saying. But it's all good. If you want to get them to reach out again, just reach out to them again. Why could this not be a type 2? A buy position? I don't know. I'm too bearish on NQ in this. I'm too bearish on NQ. That's why. Like, we are moving down here, and if I'm looking to play against that, I'm a bit scared. I'm scared. All right, I don't really want to play against that. If you look at this as a counter trend type 2, not bad. Like, yeah. But yeah, I don't think I'm really interested in that personally. It's a Friday, like the markets are moving weird today. Let's not take any unnecessary, unless it's A triple plus. Hey bro, show the chart number. If you want to see the chart number, you have to come over to YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. Daniel Holmes Trades is the name. What's your preferred session, mate? I trade the Asia and the New York session, Asia and London session every day. London used to be fire, and then all of a sudden 2025 happened and London turned into water. So yeah, London turned into water of some sort. This 1 hour candle's still open. Because you got to think of it like this as well. If you're looking to take a buy position as a type 2 based on the 15 here, that means that you're anticipating this 1 hour candle to completely flip green and leave a gigantic wick, which obviously can happen, but you're essentially expecting it to do all like this. It can happen, of course, but that's like, it's pretty, yeah, like anything can happen. I'd like to look at this as a bit of support and then a break below. I think I did see that panda. Yeah, in the Discord. Discord. I'm going to pin the Discord chat in the YouTube chat. The Discord link in the YouTube chat if anyone wants to join. Free Discord community. Join the Holy Communion. Here it is, you guys on YouTube. It's pinned in the chat. If any of you guys are in the YouTube community, I mean the Discord community. Asia been trashed this week as well. Has it? I can't remember. Hi Daniel from New Zealand. What's your weight and gym split? Not good. My weight is 80 kilos. I'm trying to get, I've started a shred. I want to get lean. And gym routine's just whatever I feel at the time. But yeah, focus on my muscle group a session or two tops. I remember Panda sending a galaxy and Dan didn't even see it or thank him. Fuck off. I missed a call last time, maybe 3 months ago, but no one's playing. What's the average amount of trades a week? I don't know, but typically we'll stick to 1 to 2 trades a day. Hey Raja, how do I stop blowing accounts? Just 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all you have to do. 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all that you have to do. 1 to 2 trades a day keeps the blown accounts away. Trust me. Trust who? Trust me, I can set you free. Yeah, it's been a bit of a trippy week. We've had a good week. Like a lot of the guys, like I think yesterday was a rough. I took a small L in the morning and then didn't take a trade for the rest of the day. But yesterday was. I didn't really look at the charts, but when I looked back, I was like, a bit of a weird structure. But I think most of the guys in the mentorship and shit, everyone did pretty good this week. What up, ya, Mai? Would you take a new sport as a new hobby? Nah, I've already done that multiple times. Like I stepped into boxing for a little bit and just gym, boxing training and mud wrestling. I think that's enough. Hey Raja, where can I get a dynamic 3 a.m. corn dog? Just 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all. 1 to 2 trades a day. Yeah, Alex, I still don't understand what you mean, brother. I understand that you missed a call, but yeah, if you want to book another one, just book another one, brother. It's all good. I'd love to help you, man. So, look at this. Dan's mentorship has transformed my discipline. Yeah, a lot of the guys, it's so fucking crazy for me to see as the person that's seen guys join at the start and to where they are now. It's fucking so cool to see like the progress of, yeah, this is, oh, look, the trades, quality of the trades, the discipline, the progress of the accounts. Like a lot of guys that had never been funded before are starting to get funded now. It's like, it's a beautiful thing. That's the best way I could describe it. Oh, Arnie T, what up, what up? How many people will be taking your mentorship? Not many. Not many because I want to keep it, this like, I want to be able to focus because everyone in the mentorship gets one-on-ones with me. Like they can call me whenever. Like it's not like, hey, here's the course content, see you later. It's like, no, it's a mentor. I'm mentoring you. I'm your wingman to success in this game, basically. So I can't have 1,000 people in there knowing that everyone has unlimited one-on-one calls with me whenever they want, because then I won't have any time to scroll on Bumble to look for Latinas. Yep, exactly, Mad Lord. Yeah, I've had even some big realizations this week about like the psychology of trading. It never ends. Like the psychology, man, it's everything. Because I had been on a good run, right? And I had started to get a little bit of overconfidence. And I started to let a few things slip. And I mean, you get immediately punished, that's all. Honestly, such a big change from our first call to our... Bro, Cody, it's insane. Like, Cody has been trading like 3 months. We nicknamed him the Lotto Strategy because he would just take Lotto trades. We had one Zoom call. He's now funded. He's fucking crushing it. And yeah, it's crazy. You're Raja's #1 fan? Yes. Raja Banks. Dominion Markets, Raja Banks. So let's have a look here. Gold, have you moved at all? Just 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all you got to do. 1 to 2 trades a day. Nice. Really beautiful structure on the 30-minute on gold. Yeah, mentorship slaps, good group and epic mentor. Appreciate you, Kashi. Yeah, that's the thing that keeps the ship running and makes it great for everyone is the group of individuals in there. People like just naturally keep each other accountable, not in the sense like, oh, this is shit, you got to fix. No, it's like human nature. You wanna stay sharp like everyone else. Is the mentorship suitable for someone who is completely green? Yes, because you'll have the ability to work one-on-one with me, so I'll help you through the initial stages as well. Asking will not accept call effect. Okay, wait, you said you would choose less people, so that's why I'm asking will not accept call effect. Fuck, Alex. I want to know what you're saying, but I just can't figure it out. I want to know. I want to know. Are you shorting? Shorting at a melody. I'm waiting for if a candle breaks below here, I'll have to seriously consider shorting, which happens in 2 minutes. I'll have to seriously consider taking a short position on NQ. Do you trade futures or do you also trade? Yeah, I'll trade futures and gold CFDs, yes, both. But today it'll be futures. What's your opinion on top one instant funding? No challenge. I think it's a bad idea unless you're extremely consistently profitable in trading already, because you're going to pay more. You're going to pay more for the funding stage. The African Americans, they love me. They love Trump. They really do. You're going to pay more. You're going to pay more for something that you're just going to blow anyway, right? So I don't think it's a good idea. Billions and billions. Billions and billions. Wait, so you do one-on-one mentorships? Yes, my friend. The mentorship is the community, the strategy and system in a course content packaged, and then unlimited one-on-one Zoom calls with me to guide you through the process to profitability. All right? No one in the entire trading space is doing what I'm doing. I've dedicated my life to helping other traders reach success. And when I say I dedicated my life, if you look at my schedule, it's all about other people. It's all for everyone else. My schedule, none of it is for me except gym and beach. Everything else is like, so anyone that's real interested, only serious guys, don't waste anyone's time. It's danielholmestrades.com. It's just a wait list right now, and then we're going to go through some applications. Yeah, exactly, Toledo. Everyone supports each other, 100%. Yeah. Billions and billions. All right, so this candle's closing here. It kind of failed to do anything, which is cool. Didn't want to trade. Gold looks like it's pushing up here. We've got the first 1 hour of London Open closing very soon. Bro, I love gym too. Yeah, gym's good, man. Gym's good to train and stay healthy like that. Yeah, and you want to make sure you're physical and your impression is spot on. Nah, there's no way it's not us. The African Americans. Oh fuck. Have you met Mike Thurston yet? No. That'd be pretty dope though. MT. If it's real one-on-one, price is more over 10K. No, it's not over 10K, but yeah, it is real one-on-ones. No one else in the industry is doing that. Most your trading gurus will charge you an average of 5,000 for one-on-one, but for my guys, it's just unlimited. Because I would rather help someone get profitability, because one, I feel good about it. Two, the other person is greatly benefited their life. They've literally changed. I can genuinely say I've changed some people's lives. Even before trading, I was a personal trainer. I've always done coaching. And three, it looks better for me if I'm ensuring that I'm making profitable traders, or I'm helping traders become that profitable. So it's a win-win for everyone. So we'll see what NQ wants to do here. Yeah, price action's a bit trippy today. Are you live on Twitch or Kick as well? No, I'm live on YouTube. YouTube, if you type my name into YouTube, you'll see that I'm live there and it's full chart, not just a little screen shits. The African Americans. Anyone doing anything here in the Discord? What are you guys doing? Someone's looking at this. Someone's looking at this graph. What are the premium guys doing? Nice. Miss the call will not make my number go blacklisted for mentorship. Alex, if you go to danielholmestrades.com and just click the link again and just go through the process again, and you'll be okay. Don't worry about the same one you did then. Just click the link and follow here because I've got new people helping me, a new team, so you'll be fine. I mean, I might as well put a note here as well. My chat is way different from yours, even when the time frame is the same. Oh, your chart? Yeah, you're probably looking at Forex. This is futures. You're looking at Forex, but this is futures. Daniel, I need your help. And then says nothing else. I would have helped you as well if you preference what the hell it is, but because you said nothing else, now I'm angry. I paid billions. Billions of... I remember I took 3 trades on a holiday. Wait, I took 3 days on a holiday next week. Gonna do 70. Graph. Bruh, if I could save your life, I reckon. What I would do, Graph, metaphorically, is grab you and just say, stop. That's all. And then be like, just want to do today. That's all that you gotta do. Hey Dad, just got a Big Mac meal sauce on my desk. Fuck. Oh, big S dog. Lick it up. Yeah, that's probably my advice as well. Yeah, we've got to really consider if NQ can hold below this level if we want to do a thing. Bro, come to Zimbabwe? Yeah, that'd be good. I've got a lot of guys that, you know, follow me and stuff that ask me to come over there, so that could be cool. Big booty Zimbabweanesians. Daniel, please don't be angry with okay. I want to be a trader from Gunda. Nah. No! I'm angry. Did you not read the rules about being from Gunda and being a trader? Hey Dan, I tried to join a couple of weeks ago, but no response. Thought it was just 70%. Wait, what did you try to join, Chris? Zimbabweanesians. This is gold, bro. Please don't be zesty. I'm a trader from Gunda. No! Don't make me pull out the nail file. Waganda. That's true, Pez. I guess I didn't do anything, really. Alright, so it looks like NQ's doing all sorts of shit. I mean, like, this is going to be an interesting day to be on the markets. Like, this today has just cooked so many fucking impatient traders. What's wrong with Uganda, bro? Oh, where do I... Nah, I'm only joking, brother. I'm literally completely joking. I love you. I love Gunda. I love everyone. I'm a ball of love. I'm a ball of love. What up, Box? Dubai's everything you would imagine. Yeah, I'm loving it. Collab with Tory Trades about at the pyramids, then you'll have 2 mummies with you. Oh, fucking Tory Trades. Bruv, what camera you use? A ZV-E10 with a 15 to 50mm Sigma lens. What the Sigma? With a Sigma lens. Because I'm fucking Sigma Alpha, bruh. Daniel, what's wrong with Gunda? Nothing's wrong with Gunda, bro. I'm only joking. Good day, so hope you keep streaming during the session. Brother, I'm going to keep streaming through the session for a long time. I've been doing it for about a year. They're making the candles. Oh, I can't say that word. They're making the frogs. Do you ever watch Don Vo? I did a little bit back before he rug pulled his audience $2 million. And now I can't watch it the same because I can see I've got a fucking keen eye for narcissism, because back in the day I dated a narcissistic girl, like proper, like diagnosable. So I went deep into that world to really understand it. And now if I see somebody with narcissistic traits, I can't unsee it. And now when I watch him, I can just see it so much. And it's like, I can't watch it anymore. I'm like, I can see what he's doing. I can see his mind. I can see him. Look at me. Look up to the stars, Simba. Simba. Look up to the stars. The great kings before you. Simba. Yeah. What's your thoughts on degen coin? A lot of people saying people will lose money. I have no idea, bro. Daniel, want to be a trader? I don't know anything about it. Brother, start Googling it. Start from the ground up. Google it. Really, Pez? Energy vampires, yes. Yep. When are you going to get me on as a guest? I trade gold futures. Elite trader. Elite's been around for a hot minute. I will give you that. What up, Chris? Connect, bro. What do you think about his strat? I don't even know how he trades these days. Yeah, I know he's a price action trader like from back in the day, but yeah, I don't even really remember, to be honest. I didn't watch him that much. I really didn't. Maybe a couple times or whatever. Tried to join your mentorship a couple weeks ago, but no response. Oh, yeah, I've got a different team now, Chris. If you go to danielholmestrades.com and click this shits, you'll get a different team that will deal with you and you'll be sweet. Yeah, do it now. Try it now. Simba. The great kings before you. Who's read this? Top shit. Do you know TTE? Yes. Elite Trader is Ben. Yeah, Ben's strat is dope. Yeah, Elite Trader is Ben. That's right. He does the massive stop losses. Poor Tori doesn't realize. I know. We need to get her freaking acquainted. Daniel, from your heart, can you train me? You see, the thing with that is, it's kind of like a paradox. It is a paradox, unfortunately, because I know where your head's at right now. You think that is how it would work, but it's not. It's not how it would work, unfortunately. What up, Zeke? What up, my dude? My freaking man. Dubai Bandit. Price action. I'm Zurich. Price action. Yep. You guys on YouTube, drop a thumbs up for the Dubai stream, gang. 1,000 people are here and only 47 have liked the stream. I am a loser. I knew it. Yeah, it's dope, Zeke. You can't really tell on TikTok, but on YouTube you can see it more, but yeah, it's fucking so good. In the way. Dan, can you teach me trading spiritually? Telepathically? Yeah, switch the... Alright, so this candle closes in a minute. This is going to be 1 hour 30 and 15. We'll see what happens here. Put the fries in the bag, bro. Bro, if I lose the trade and fries start coming up on the screen, I'm going to freaking dip out. I'm going to crash out, dude. Daniel, with your hands, can you touch me? Lord, give me strength. All right, what's gold doing? Gold's pushing up, which is kind of cool. I'd rather it push up. And NQ's holding below this level, so we're really got to make some sort of decision here. It's very extended, though. That's the issue. Yeah, it's very extended. That's the issue. Yeah. Daniel, I'll watch you anytime you come live in my dream to be my mentor, but I am financially ill. Bro, don't use that terminology about yourself. You're not financially ill. You just haven't done the thing that's going to bring the finances. If you say I'm financially ill, that's putting out into the universe that you're sick in some way in regards to the ability to make finances. Like it's out of your control. That's some bitch shit. Like you can't be thinking like that, bro. Especially speaking it out into existence. What you say has weight, bro. Just filled out the application for the mentorship. Nice. Awesome. We're going to be going through it. You'll get updates, David. You will get updates. Yep. Fire. Bro, you guys are putting fries and stuff. Cheese. Type shit, speaking to existence. Yep. Yeah, Zeke, it looks massive, eh? Look. Yeah. It's fucking actually massive. It is. But it's Xpeno. That's the issue. It's fucking Xpeno for a 1-bedder. 2-bathroom. 1-bedder, 2-bath. 1-bedroom, 2-bathroom. So if you need to do poo-poo and pee-pee, you can do it in poo-poo in one toilet and piss in the other. Oh, God, man. When the charts are doing this, I go freaking coco. No, all right, lock in. No more talking about stupid shit. Lock in, chat. Is being single good for a trader? Well, it depends who your partner is. That's probably the biggest thing. It depends who your partner is. If your chick's like some mainstream annoying chick, then yeah, it's gonna be a nightmare. But if she's switched on, she's mature and has supportive, then you should be good. She could probably help. It's rare. It's gonna be very rare. New to the trading world, but learning all I can. Love learning from a fellow Aussie. Oh, amazing, Tani. Yeah, well, the only thing you've learned from this stream so far is probably how to... If you've got any questions, fire them away. Pez fries in the bag. Yeah, facts. Then your Forex is finished earning money, so now I'm broke. That's why I said I'm financially ill. Yeah, that still doesn't make sense. Like, financially ill is not even a thing. You should never say that sentence. You're essentially saying it's out of your control why you haven't got money, which it's not. It's completely in your control. Imagine if Tory Trades entered the chat one time. Nah, I'm going to get it happening one day. Meet up in Dubai one day, broski. 100 funded now. Congratulations on the 100 funded, but that's going to go. It doesn't. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Why do you think price is overpriced? I don't. Well, the reason I couldn't sell NQ where I wanted to was the fact that it overextended, right? So when you look for a breakout trade, check this out, you guys. If you're looking for a breakout trade, you can see there I have the thing saying breaks below. If this candle were to break below, like that, I would have been all in, take my money. The next one, wick up, retest that level, and then as it starts to flip back in the direction, I enter a sell there. But what happened is this. It broke all the way down here. And what's the first thing I always think of before I enter a trade? Where can I put my stop loss? In this case, this range is far too big for me to put my stop loss back above where it broke out of. I always want to put it in that breakout level. It's too far now. It's too overextended. Secondly, that's probably the main reason. Yeah. Well, another thing is, like, when it moves so much red, it typically needs to create a bit of green first and then keep going like this. See how this did that? And this. So do you really want to be stuck in a trade for 15 minutes while it potentially creates another green candle, and within that green candle it takes you out as well, it hits your stop loss? Nah. Like, you want to stack probabilities in your favor, and I don't want to be fucking stuck in a shitty trade for 15 minutes. No. And potentially get tagged out. I think Dan will blush too much and fumble. No. I'll say, what's up? How's the markets going? How's the markets going? All confident and shit like that. How do I find this on MetaTrader 4? Type in XAU USD. How the trend line's treating you? If I'm Tory, I'm naked at this point. As an Aussie trader, what currency should I use for Prop XP? It doesn't offer AUD. Trade gold, Dean. Trade gold. It's called XAU USD. This is what we're looking at right now, gold. Just because you're in Australia doesn't mean you need to trade an Australian pair. Australian pairs are shit. Nah, that's not necessarily true, but just trade gold, bro. The Riz is real, bro. They don't call me the Rizzler for nothing. What's MGC? Micro gold contracts? Then have you tried Dubai chocolate? No. I'm way too healthy for that. So gold's approaching this level, which is good. Just trade fries. Imagine if you could trade fries like you can trade soybeans. Fuck, we would all be super profitable. What did you say, Enrico? I missed it. Tori never shows any man around. She wakes up alone. It's bizarre. Because she's saving herself for me. How did you mark those areas? Well, I'm looking at this as a level of resistance, mobile. I'm looking at this as a level of resistance. See how these two candles here, they close side by side on the 15-minute time frame? And then again, it did it again. I know above this is clean traffic for at least 30 pips. So if a candle can break above this level that was previously pretty respected, there's a high probability that with a few more things happening after that, that price may continue up as opposed to continue down. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to see if buyers can hold price above a previously respected level for long enough for me to indicate, yeah, I think we're moving in that direction now. One of the other things I'll be waiting for confirmation is I want to see sellers actually try and push the market back down. And what that would look like is this, where it starts to come back down. You're like, looks like we're not moving up. But then what happens is that turns into a wick as buyers push it back up. And then I go, great. I've got further more confirmation now that buyers are in control here. My buy stop position is sitting right there. And then I'm going to ride it up to that next resistance level, which is about 30 pips away, somewhere up there. I might take off 85% here, move stops to break even to secure a risk-free trade and let the rest run for maybe another 20 pips or something. That's what I'm thinking. There's a few other nuances in that need to be taken into consideration, especially the fact that we've only moved green this whole way up, but yeah, we'll see. And stop loss would be going back within this range, ideally below this wick on that retest candle, like that. Back in the range. Because if it wicks down, tries to push down, flips up, tags me in, and then comes back down again, I'm just wrong at that point. The market's not ready to go up, and I'm just wrong. And is that okay? Yes. I'm just here to play the game of probabilities. I know statistically this trade got me to Dubai. Like this setup got me to Dubai. This setup made me quit my job. So if this trade doesn't work out, then I was just wrong this time. It's not ready yet, and I'll move to the next. I would love this candle to flip red, close red, then the next one break out. That would be very ideal. That would be legitimately ideal as. Do you enter on wick entries at all? What do you mean by that, Sergio? Wick entries. It would be more of a break of a wick type shit. Like if, let's say that a bit of red was printed, this looked like this, and then the next one wick down and start to flip up. Very likely-ishly, my entry would be sitting at the break of that previous candle's high, which would be a wick. Yeah. I'm home, I'm here, I'm ready to learn. Soz, I'm late. Hill, we're glad to have you here, and we've all been waiting for you. I've been talking about where the fuck is Hill? So I'm glad you're here and you made it. Very well explained. Thank you, CP. C+. But that's, see what you said there, Sergio. I like assuming it would flip for an earlier entry or wait for confirmation. That is very bad. I'm glad you brought that up because I've mentored people which were finding a lot of issues and they were doing that same thing. So what Sergio is saying here is the idea of a breakout. Let's say this next candle breaks out like this and we go, great. I think that there's enough now to indicate that we're ready to continue up. So when that next candle starts moving down, like we spoke about, and creating that potential bottom wick, which would initially look like that, and then that would flip and turn into a wick, instead of waiting for that confirmation, having your entry sit at the break of the previous, when it looks like this, Sergio's saying that he'll enter the buy position there, anticipating that turning into a wick, and then you've got a better entry. So then if it plays out, you're fucking cool, right? Bad way to go. It's not a good system. Trust me, bro. You need to wait for that full confirmation. Yes, your entry might not be as good, but the probability of it breaking its own wick and doing the shit that we spoke about before is what's going to play out much better in the long run for you. And I'm not saying it to roast you. I'm just saying, trust me, bro. I've been using this strategy for 5 years. Like I know this very, very well. And that has got a lot of traders into a lot of trouble doing that. You don't need a better entry. You can still get a great entry here. But yeah, I'm glad that you brought that up, because yeah, I've mentored people which were having issues, were doing that as well. And I was like, this needs to stop. It needs to stop. Because what you're doing is trying to predict what will happen next. There's no, as the market's moving down, you're predicting that it's just going to flip. When we're taking a breakout trade at a point, it's actually already moving up. So if your entry is sitting at the break of the high, it's green at that point. It is moving up. It's not red. You don't take a buy position when a candle is red, right? Yep. Must wait for confo. A lot of no, yeah, definitely, Sergio. No, I'm not trying to roast you. I'm trying to help you, for sure. You can't predict the market. The only thing you can, yeah, react to it. Exactly. Yeah. Arnie T. How are you in Dubai? Plane. I think you mean how am I whilst in Dubai? I'm doing amazing. Dubai's been great. Bluey. What do you think on type 5 on live cattle? Oh, my neck's snapping off here. I need a new neck after this session. I've got to fucking fix my setup badly. Is that an orb? Dude, I fucking seen an orb. It's a spirit. No, this isn't an orb. This is just respected level. How are Dubai girls? Haven't spoke to any, but they look good from a distance. Well, that sounded so bad. But like, yeah, I'll just say good. Dubai girls are good. But if this current candle breaks out of resistance, would you take an entry knowing the current? No. Yeah, we'd need some more shit happening. That's why I was hoping this would flip red and then the next one breaks out, because at least we've got a bit of support before we break out. But there's still ways around it. If this breaks out, I'll show you what we'll do. But it doesn't look like it's going to break out just yet. Big 1 hour. Oh, wait, what the fuck? Oh, I thought we were coming up to an hour closure. Okay, this is... Okay, so that hour engulfed this range here. Yeah, we're still going to need to wait for this candle to... I mean, we could potentially even sell. Like, it could come up like this, wick up, flip. It could, like, I'd only sell if I see it tested. But if it did something like this, I'd sell on the next candle. Look at that visually, that'd be great. But I would need to see it at least try and give that a stab. All right, so fucking, what does that look like on Forex? Is it red on Forex? No, it's not. It's not red on Forex. Not that I would have cared too much, I've taken into account too much, but it's just an interesting thing. Yeah, we're gonna need to see what, so now that we're at this level, a lot of shit can happen here. We're actually at an area of interest. A lot of shit can start to finally happen. And that's what we want to see. Yeah, because as you can see to the immediate left, there's clean traffic all the way up to here. Look at all this clean. So we'd be riding it up to that point. There's clean traffic all to the immediate left. And if we scroll across, you'll see there's another area that's been respected at that level. Another one. So this is a major level, and we might have to be on our toes in order to catch this move. It's going to try and pull something on us that you're going to need to be on your toes. It doesn't mean you have to do an impulse buy or anything. It just means the market might try and pull some shit on us, but if we're smart about it, we can catch it. But if we follow market structure is actual, not a bad idea since it's buying at the high or low. Yeah, I don't know. GC is already broken, really? No, it's not. Do you actually stand and trade? To this day. How'd you find the weather? Getting used to it? I come from Australia. It's hot in Australia already in summer. So yeah, it was fine. People are like, nah. I'm like, bro, I like the heat. Your boy's trying to get a tan out here. Nice Migs. Good. Sigs on stream or Sigs on... Yeah, you guys on YouTube, there's a Discord link. If you want to join the free Discord community, there's a link pinned in the chat there. And you can fucking... That's really me in a real Lambo. So, you know, this is the kind of stuff. If anyone's got any analysis they want to have a look at on stream, send it through as well. There's an analysis page over here in the Discord. And on YouTube, there's a link pinned in the YouTube chat. God bless you too, Fresh. How many times did you live stream on YouTube this week? It'll be every day, every week, every day. It's been a bit hectic lately. Enjoying your new perfume? Yeah, I guess, yeah. I'm assuming you watched the vlog. Nice. Yeah. Look at the 4-hour NQR size down, but I took an extended play base. Swivel week fill worked out. During the free chat, and you transform into a sniper entries on a 40 RR. Yeah, I see what you did there, Pez. Yeah, be careful, but I understand. I understand now. Sale or buy? I don't know. I don't want to say. I don't want to put a sale on yet, but I want to. Sale or purchase? What up, Thor? Vlog 3, guys. Bought the whole corner store this time. Yeah, vlog 3 coming up. Vlog 3 is going to be insane. I've actually got a videographer for it. We're filming it tomorrow. I'll try and edit it ASAP to launch it on the weekend. What's your diet? Super clean. I only started. I did my first grocery shop a day or two ago, so yeah. What's your makeup routine? What's your skincare routine? I need sleep. I need fun to kind of have... Bro, tell me about it. I realized I've been cruising on 4 hours sleep and not even realizing. That's the thing. When you're high on life, you don't even realize. Well, I guess I did. I fell asleep on the couch last night at daytime and woke up this morning. I was like, what the fuck? All the lights were on, aircon pumping. I was like, did I just get spiked? Vlog's very good, feel very natural. Ah, nice Hill. That's good feedback. Good to hear that. I'm glad that you liked it. What'll be the scenario if you sell, bro? Nothing. I don't want to sell. Actually, I called the scenario. This is a scenario. If this can give us a decent test, flip strong and close like that. The next one, wick up and push down, I'll look to sell there. Jawline looks clean. Bro, I have 9 fake accounts following me on TikTok. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Hey, you guys, you can see on the screen there, free 50% off this Prop XP accounts. This is me with Prop XP here. I just got funded with them. Who wants to see my performance? I don't even know how to. But yeah, 50% off all their accounts. No trailing drawdown with them. There's no trailing drawdown. So you can be that. I'll be honest. I've blown so many fucking challenges over the years from accounts where the trailing drawdown follows you. It's the worst because you feel like you got cheated, kind of. I waited for your live stream yesterday, but you didn't show up. Yeah, I know, bro. I'm sorry. I was so just spent moving to Dubai and doing all this hectic shit. I was just so cooked. I ended up falling asleep on the couch. Yes, Perry, 100%. How is your accounts going, Pez Dog? Can I use Prop XP on TradingView? Yeah, they have it built in. See, if I press this button on Prop XP, boom, switches straight to TradingView. Switch it back to the normal one, bang, straight back to the normal trading account. Yeah, I'm in Dubai, Thor. You boys in Dubizzle. I got funded the account yesterday. This account has trailing drawdown. Yeah. No, I don't trade AUS USD. Is it daily drawdown? I don't even think it's daily. I don't think it follows you at all. Boss, if the red candle breaks back inside, it means we're consolidating. I wouldn't say it means we're consolidating. It depends how it closes. I mean, because if it closes like down here, the 30 minutes going to look nice as well. Like, let's see what the 30 minute would look like. But I'm sus on that test. I would need a bigger retest than that. I'm very sus on that test. I really, so check this out, you guys. I really want this to push down. I'm not going to sell gold. I want it to push down and close like that, which will look like a sell potential, but it's not. I promise you. I'll never promise anything in trade in my life, but I promise you if it's close, like, it's gonna fake out and then break out. Fake out before you break out. So I want to buy gold. Don't listen to my promises. I'm only being dramatic, but I want to buy gold. Dubai is getting rebirth in video games. You start over because everyone is richer than you. Yeah, that second thing you said is something for sure. Yeah. Kasha, yes, Shem we were talking about that this morning in the stream. Shem was saying that you've been cracking away on the MT5 simulator. That's awesome, bro. MT5 simulator helped me a lot, I would say. It just helped me feel comfortable with the system. Because I would go through MT5 simulator and just like make billions and billions just using the type 1, type 2 strategy, punch through like, you know, a couple of weeks data and just like, and only trade in the London session and just put so much on the accounts consistently and then, you know, manage the losses and stuff. And it's just like, it just proves furthermore in your head that like, man, you can really fucking crush this shit. Love the dances between the talks, best streamer. Fuck. NQ, what are you doing? Let's have a quick look. NQ is like the, you know, the runt. I want to do futures, but I don't understand how much contracts because I don't understand the lot size on Forex. Bro, if you want to do futures and that's the only thing holding you back, that's pussy shit. Like, just jump into it. Just do it. It's nothing. It's not even hectic. It's like, it takes like 2 days and you're completely used to it. How's silver looking? I will have a look at how silver's looking actually. I wanted to invest in silver. Yay, I missed it. I missed my investment opportunity. It's breaking out massively. Finally, it's been consolidating in this range for fucking ages actually. Wow, it's finally breaking out. Silver is. Damn it. I told you I should have fucking invested in it. I wanted to be a part of this next breakout. Damn, hopefully it fakes out. Yeah, wow, good stuff. You don't day trade silver. Do whatever. Potential buys here on NQ. Potential counter trend buys on NQ. Stand by. Can you use MetaTrader 5 with, no, PropXB have their own platform. This is their platform here. It's a built-in platform that they built, which switches from TradingView back to their shits. 50% off all accounts using my code. Yeah, I'm not interested in getting faked out. So this is similar to what I drew up before, but remember I said I need a good retest up here? Do you understand how many motherfucking stop losses are sitting right there? You don't think gold wants to come up there and just fuck you up? Oh, trust me, it does. So if you got a stop loss there, bail out now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But when do you say stop? Last Asia trade where you took a small L down. Can you give us a breakdown? Yeah, where was it? Bad trade, bad trade. I can't remember where it was, but it was just a breakout. It was a breakout buying into 15 resistance, anticipating the wow, nice type too. Anticipating the 30 minute to push through. Anytime I ignore the 15 and try and override it, it never works. Was you on TV before? Yes. Gigantopithecus. It was a documentary about Gigantopithecus. Do you go full margin on challenge phases? No. Sometimes. Sometimes. It depends. Sometimes I'll do it probably like, normal. Sometimes I'll full margin it. Sometimes it's really just like those two options. Sometimes I was doing 2 shots, 3 shots, 10, it's a couple weeks. Dan, sounds like a type 1, type 2 playbook setups. I have about 6 playbook trades. Yeah, we have type 1, type 2, but there's a lot of different variations for those setups. So there's a lot of entries within those plays. And we just look to master those 2 specific things. That's all you need. Can you not pass PropX for the US? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Deli card trading, what the fuck? Hello? Hi. What's that? What's who? Wait, but what is it again? A what company? Oh, meal plan. Yeah. Yeah. I was, but I don't know if they're going to be good. I don't know. Can you call me back in an hour? Or okay, sounds good. Thank you. Oh, I was calling. Fucking hell! How did they have my number? I was calling I was Googling to get meal plans, packaged meals delivered, so I didn't have to cook. Learn to cook, bro. Leave me alone. I think it's a good idea. I don't want to have to cook. Yeah, maybe I'll get them to give me some food. I don't want to have to cook, man. It's amazing I do. Oh, so do you use those people? What are they called? Deli cut or something? I just wasn't sure if they were going to be like proper good meals with the right shit that I need. Yeah, that candle's too small. Very nice, really. Okay, maybe I will do it. Damn, they have sales teams like that. They must be killing it. Swaggy D only cooks the market. Yeah. Get Big Macs, bro. I can cook for you if you hire me. Only tofu and rice. Wow. Yeah, I am cooked. Oh, look at this prop XP in the chat. Hello, everybody. We have free trial you can use and test your strategy and the trading environment, up to 6 free trials. Look at this, you guys. Real prop XP here in the chat saying you can even do, look, W prop XP goaded by Bluey. You got a cleaner now as well. Actually, I do have a cleaner, but no, it doesn't mean I'm moving up, but I appreciate you, brother. Prop XP. Oh, look at this. Then once you select your preferred account size to trade it with, it's the same environment. So rest assured that you'll be using your personal reference. Yeah, nice. 50% off over here with my code as well. McDonald's can cook for you. Prop XP in the house. Can you host weddings between traders? I tried to sign up, but it's not working. Princess, you mean sign up for Prop XP? What do you mean it's not working? What exactly are you seeing? When have you ever seen a prop actually get involved? Exactly. When have you guys actually ever seen real humans behind the prop firms you trade inside of the chat? Never. We're built different over here. So goals, man, this is fucking, I'm gonna be, this is pretty ugly, you guys. This is getting pretty ugly, man. This is getting pretty ugly. I'm gonna be patient here for a little bit longer, but yeah. It's a Friday. Price has been moving weird today. How's GBP USD, Daniel? Any potential to buy? Let's have a quick look at GBP USD. I usually don't do this. Bro! Why? Why do you want to buy when the market's moving down? How is that a thing that goes through your head? Is there any opportunity to buy? Any opportunity to buy, Daniel? Why must we do this, guys? Why must we do this? Clean traffic to the left as well. Nah, who knows, bro. But right now, look how it's bending and melting down. The last thing I'll be thinking about is buying that. Yeah, why not sell? It's human nature though, you guys, you realize that's human psychology. And it's also ego, because you want to be like, I found the bottom type shit. NQ. Yeah, I seen that green candle printed too small body. So yeah, I'm not interested in NQ right now, personally. Torian Dan forever, yes. How's Dubai? Dubai's amazing. Yeah, Prop XP are gonna come to Dubai actually, most likely. We're gonna do a big giveaway one stream with Prop XP, the actual owners here. And we're gonna do a hectic stream and do some crazy giveaways and stuff on stream. Love your new apartment, especially with them globe lights. Thank you. That globe light, damn, I can't show you. It's actually a head. It's a human head. How can you do withdrawals from Prop XP? Brother, first step is get funded and get a payout. Get to the payout stage. Don't catch the jockey before you ride the horse. Or whatever they say. What exactly do you need to make an entry? Well, I was interested as it started to push up towards this key level of resistance. We're rejecting off now, so let's see if we can. I'm going to be patient for a bit. Like I don't like how it's moving. It's looking like dog doo doo. But yeah, I'm going to have to, unless some sort of type 2 gets presented here and we can ride it up. Is Prop XP a person? This is my pre-workout, you guys. C4, caffeine hit. Then Prop XP be at your wedding? Yes. What's your opinion about FTMO as a prop firm? If you're an Australian, it's shit. They have really low leverage. You can't put on much size. The regulations are different in Australia for whatever reason, for specifically FTMO. Yeah, we're gonna be patient here, see if we can get anything happening, but yeah, it's looking doo-doo. It's looking pretty doo-doo. C4 is not good, bro. What do you mean? It's just fucking caffeine. It's just caffeine. You can walk away a long time. Use the same? Nice. Inverted head and shoulders? Yeah, I wouldn't even be thinking, bro, like that personally. Sorry, bro. Yeah. Yeah, Prop XP are funding the wedding. Can you sing me a song? If I wrote you a symphony. Aussie's trapped. 74K last year, got 30 tax, paid 20 tax. It's disgusting, hey bro. I just got like tax shit yesterday, I think. It's disgusting. Can you name your main mistakes when you start trading? Which was ones that you kept repeating the most? The main mistake that I kept repeating the most is revenge trading. Yep. It's revenge trading. I couldn't accept a loss. I couldn't accept a red day. I took it personal. Right? I took it personal. And for 2 years, I just blew account after account. Like literally like there's something wrong with you. Like I need a fucking brain aneurysm or something. Like I need a brain, you know. And I just never gave up and just kept trying to get better. And eventually did. Yeah, but it's all psychology. That's for every trader though. Every trader is gonna have to face themselves in the mirror. The mirror is the markets. And all your weaknesses and flaws are going to come out in the markets, and it's going to be your job to overcome them. If you do overcome them, you win in this game. If you don't, you're out. It's all good. Most people do end up leaving. Most people do end up leaving. Hello, sir. Do I close my eyes and sleep or stare at you? Cody, fuck. When you go live? Every day. Every day on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. Bro, I love your vibes. Hope you keep streaming on YouTube. I'm live every day on YouTube, Migs. Appreciate you. For sure. So we've got 3 minutes for this candle closure. Maybe we could look at some sort of impulse buy. Sing Rasta song. Yeah, Cody. Yeah, lobotomy. Thank you. Cody just went to the dark side. Yeah. How did you learn this strategy? Just a long time on chart, and learn from others. Bro, can I request for more motivation trading video? Your video is bomb. Wait, what do you mean, Mad Lord? What are you saying? Bro, your weakness is your eye. Man, literally, I'm obsessed, like reading and watching videos, tutorials, and trading. Is that normal? Yep. That's good. That's how you will be typically in the initial stage, which is what is going to be required. You're going to have to become obsessed initially to take in everything and understand everything. And then after that, that obsession starts to diminish a little bit, and then you start to actually put into practice. And then you can become obsessed with the charts, which isn't a good way to go. But you will be initially. You'll be trading like crazy and spending a ton of time on there. And then naturally that will die down, because what you'll start to realize is the longer you spend in front of a chart, the more money you typically give back. So it's best to just come into a high volume time, execute 1 or 2 trades, and then leave. You can leave, right? And that's going to be your best bet. That's my problem at the moment. I'm finding that I'm now good at marking the charts into my direction majority of the time, but I keep going in early, over leveraging and over trading. Yep. We talk about it all the time. It's no secret why traders lose in the game. It's all the same shit. Over trading, revenge trading, over leveraging, impulse trading, all that shit. Everyone does the same thing. And there's 2 things you can do about it. You can either get better eventually, or you can give up and be like, bro, I'm just retarded. Like, I keep doing this. That's it. Choice is yours. How do you control that? You have to first make an effort to actually try to control it. You have to say, okay, well, these are my weaknesses. You say, when I take a loss, I get fight or flight kicks in and I try to immediately get it back. So that's one thing. That's what it is. And you go, where does that stem from? Well, I'm here to make money. Well, are you in a rush to make money? Well, I've got debts. Yeah, I need to make money. Okay, there's the first sign. You're not focused on the process, you're focused on the money. And then you got to go even deeper. Like it goes deep, bro. It's all, yeah, it goes deep. The very first thing is actually have a written plan of like 1 to 2 trades a day, this time, this, that. Like you have to have an actual plan. Do you live every day during the London session? Yes. Some friends make fun of me thinking it's a game, it's a scam, but I'm not giving up. I want to make it. Yep. And I say, don't tell people that you trade. It's not worth it, bro. It's not worth it, bro. Because they're not going to understand. Well, Carl, write down, make a plan. I can only take 2 trades a day. We do something here where you have a manual lockout system as well, where if you take more than that, your account locks you out automatically, is one thing, but that won't stop an addict. Those videos you post on TikTok about motivation videos about traders. Yeah, I stopped doing the React trader videos on TikTok and stuff because it's just kind of like, it just feels like cheap, like an easy, cheap way to get views. There's no real value, but I guess people like them. I got nerfed. I got nerfed in the gem pop for no reason. I was down 197 on my 10K. Now I'm up. Nice, Michael. Good recovery. Yeah, that's right. I'm Zeke. You can use a laptop. I think there's a fine line between trading and mambling, where mamblers would usually revenge traders walk away. Yeah, there's definitely a fine line between casino and trading. And that fine line is up to you as the individual. You can treat it like a casino, and then your results will be random, like they would be at a casino. Or you can treat it like professional, and the results are repeatable. The results will be repeatable. then is it recommended to switch up on my day ones once I make Oh, that's rough. Everyone laughs when you tell them you're trading. Well, then don't tell them. You don't need to tell anyone. Let your results do the talking. Lock in and let your results do the talking. This wolf bites back. Dope, Perry. That's huge, brother. That's so big, man. Most people will keep them for like a couple weeks, tops. Yeah. How long did you trade before quitting your day job? Fucking a fair while. But I could have done it quicker. But I spent 2 years being an idiot. Like guys in the mentorship that have come in that have been there for like a couple of months are at a level that it took me years to get to. Literally. Just by doing it the right way. Starting with a mentor, starting with the system and doing it the right way. I went through years of pain, brother. Tears, crying myself to sleep. Just like just all this shit. Just like, man, it's so difficult. I'm such a this and that. Like, why can't I figure this out? And I could have just skipped so much of that, man. Thank you, Nix. It's called a ZVE10. If I let my results do, it's all going to be my... What do you mean, static? Yeah, I couldn't do NFP. I think that was when I was on planes and shit like that. Should I learn what I can from YouTube before joining a mentor? It's up to you, man. It depends what your mentor offers you. If everything's there with the mentorship, then why waste your time type shit on YouTube? Thank you, Dillawa. Appreciate you, brother. Dillawa's at day one. Appreciate you, brother. Crazy, bro. Yeah, Mo, if you made 10K in 1 week and lost it in 2 days, it shows that the reason why you made 10K in 1 week is because you went crazy heavy without like proper structure or system, that of course you're going to lose it. That's not how this game is. Like if you can just show up every day and make $100 a day type shit, and maybe you'll lose 100 a day, like that's way more impressive than impulsively getting a 10K win. A 10K, my sister could walk in here right now and make 10K on my account. She doesn't know how to trade. But she can't make $100 a day for a month. Right? So I joined the waitlist today. When will the next spots be open up? Nice, Nick. You're gonna hear very soon. You're gonna hear tomorrow some updates. We're just gonna keep updating you. Anyone that's joined the waitlist, danielholmestrades.com. Waitlist has just been launched the other day. You're gonna get an update very soon. Man, this is fucking dog shit. Sorry for swearing, but like, fuck. This might be my last candle. If this next 15 can't present anything, I'm literally jumping off a... You know what? I mean, if gold can present a nice type 2 here, I'd be interested, but we'll see. Price action. There's so many different stuff on the internet. Yeah, I think price action's good, bro. You know, not a lot of guys, most of the guys on TikTok and shit that you're going to see are going to be ICT and all this shit. Trust me, bro. Stick to price action. Cody. Yes, sir. Do you think most mentors make money from selling courses in Discord groups, etc.? I don't know, bro. I have no idea. That's one thing about me. I don't pay attention to any other people, really. Like any other traders. I'm very, like, out of the loop. I'm very out of the loop. Oh, there's no music? Damn it, why didn't anyone say anything? That's so annoying. Definitely funded Maverick, 100%. There's so many, but I always watch pros and you always apply price action? Yeah, price action, bro. Alright, you guys, fuck. Yeah, we'll see. How much is the mentorship? There's different tiers, bro. We'll see. I mean, I'll explain type 2 if it starts to present here. I'm running out of gas. That's the only issue. Sorry. I'm running out of mental gas. Yeah, this is ugly stuff, you guys, here on gold. Be very careful if you're going to trade today. This might be a no trade day for me. Isn't that interesting? So I've got 6 minutes for this candle. Try scoop C4. Should I dry scoop C4? This is what you do, you drink some water first. Oh my god, I nearly exploded then. Oh my god, I was so close to just bursting that out of my nose and shit. Oh my god, I'm gonna be buzzing. I'm going back to the gym. Oh, that was so close to bursting out of my nose, bro. Yeah, this is bad, you guys. This is not fun. I'm not selling gold today. Who wants to sell through all this Chop City? Oh. Dan took my signal. Wrong sig. What's our about NQ? Let's have a quick look at NQ, yeah. We'll have a quick look at NQ and we might be chopped here. We might be chopped here. Yeah, NQ's not doing anything. Oh, fuck. Let's see how this 30 closes. Maybe I'm interested in a buy. Yeah, I'll be interested in a buy if NQ can close similar to what it is. Oh, it's a 4-hour closure as well, is it? Oh, maybe on gold for Forex. Yeah, look, man, I'm here to trade. I want to take a trade, but just, yeah, we're not getting much opportunities here. Gold's coming back down. In the Peninging fries. What's your thoughts on this new this year or some price. Yeah, look, it's fine. Like you've had to adapt, that's for sure, but it's fine. London's been rough. Our one-on-one session tomorrow morning to BM Dubai, is that going to work for you? Let me go through the calendar after this. I'll message everyone with the one-on-ones tomorrow, but I think... Let me message you on Discord after this, yeah. I still haven't changed my calendar. Please let's trade together, it's so romantic. The fuck? This is looking not too bad. Fifteen's a bit extended, but I like how the 1 hour looks as well, sort of. Push up a little bit. If we can hang out this high up here, that'd be pretty good. How to use higher and lower time frames? It's a hard one to it's not hard to explain, but yeah, it's a very important part of the whole game. Having a higher time frame bias. Yeah, nice Tyrone, good stuff. I'm not sure, Andy, if it looks the same, yes. Why can't you answer the question? Sorry, what did you say? Yes, it's MNQ. You can see it on the screen. Look, MNQ. It's in the background. So let's see if we can get a bottom wick here and try to catch some sort of counterplay. Does anyone know how many ticks this is from this buy stop to below this current candle wick? Is that 40 ticks? I'm fiending, please place the buy stop. 50, okay. I'm not taking it yet. Oh, it's 22? I'll let this breathe for a sec. If it breaks its own top wick here, I'll give it a crack. If it breaks down top wick here, I'll give it a crack. Stops below the current candle wick. Potential jump scare incoming. Nice, didn't get slipped too bad. Or at all, I mean. Doesn't come up on your account? Are you trading Forex or futures? Depends if you're trading Forex or futures. If this cooks me, I'm done for the day. Call it a week. Calling it a week. Weird price action. But yeah, I would take this trade every day. I would take this trade every day. TP is just somewhere up here. I don't know. I'll figure it out as it moves. Oh my god, that pre-workout's kicking in. You know the pre-workout that makes you like itchy? It's one of these itchy ones. Ichi ni sanchi. Four-hour candle's still open. The 4-hour candle's still open on NQ. Time to go quiet. Oh. Lol, yeah, it's NQ. But I have a question, Forex or job? Job. Job 100%. Yeah. Most pre-works itchy, yeah. Glutalanine or whatever it's called. Yeah, we could be cooked. Made $5 yesterday, nice. Crickets. You love the itch? Yeah. You get used to it pretty quick. I've only started taking pre-workout again, so I'm not used to it yet. Yeah, fries in the bag immediately. I'm gonna need immediate bagged up fries. NQ in London? Yep. Look at all the... Do you not think there's volume on NQ in London? Look at these big gigantic moves during NQ in London. Yeah, the face one's brutal. Yeah, this candle's having a hard time pushing up here. Golf, yeah. Oh wow, look at gold, that's crazy. For Dubai, which one is good, please? Huh? Silence in my courtroom. Nah, the laws in Dubai are fine. Everything's fine. Nothing's different. People have like a misconception about Dubai that it's there's all this hectic shit, but it's just like, just the same as anything. It's the same as anywhere. Yeah, golf's cooked. NQ's cooked here. NQ's on a cooking spree, and my entry is the ingredients. My entry is the freaking spices. Who's your mentor? Raja Banks. Yeah, Forex plus job. That's definitely what you want. So I put the house on this. I might. Oh fuck. No, I'll take this trade any day. Win, lose or draw. Yeah, I'm happy with this setup. Yeah, Asia's had good volume for sure. Yep. You need faith. Oh, I definitely would have expected or liked it to start making the move by now. Yeah. I took this trade and now lost my 2 girls to some Russian gangster. Oh shit. Can you explain the counter trend trade? Yeah, I'll explain it once it cooks me. I'll explain it once the seasoning has been fully seasoned. The deep fried batter is finished boiling up and it's ready to be presented on a plate. Do you drop signals? Nah. Oh. This one trade is predicted by the Simpsons. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah, I got cooked. Yeah, that's me. I'm done for the week. W. Did you do a shui when you got to Dubai? Yes, immediately. Yeah, the position, the counter trend trade is really just price coming down, showing signs of weakening, then engulfing in the opposite direction, as you're seeing here, retesting, then pushing. That's all. Yep. That's all in short terms. You could look at the 15 and say maybe it's a bit overextended, but no, not even that. I'm pretty happy with how the 15 looked. I'm thinking about circumstances and whether giving this a second chance, but I don't think the environment's right for it. Yeah, I don't think the environment's right for it, to be brutally honest. I'd take this trade any day. I'd take this trade every day, to be honest. I'm still in. Yeah. Gold do anything? No, there's not much. I look at gold, bro. What the fuck? That's wild. Nah, I would retry. I would give it a second chance if it if the 15-minute looked not how it looks. Let's give this a minute and see what happens. I want to see how this candle closes. I might give it a second chance. Yeah, the deep fry has been proper sizzled. I may give it a second chance. Oh, some of you guys survived that. Yeah, I may give it a second chance, and if I do and it doesn't play out, then the fries will be officially be inserted inside of the bag. Do you trade gold? Nah, I trade gold and NQ. But NQ could be like coming to the end of its... Might be chilling out now until New York. Did you really static? Damn it! Now I feel like I missed out. Some of you guys survived it. Yeah, you guys that survived that. See how you go, but I can't. Yeah, I can't re-enter now. Yeah, I can't re-enter now. Looks like. Yeah, I can't afford to buy now. I know. Oh, look at this, Abdul. I survived. Wow. I'm jealous. Yeah, I'm jealous. Man, I can trade better than you? Really? Nice. You're in a TikTok chat, bro. Yeah, there you go. I'll watch this for a little bit, but yeah, I'm done for the week. I'm done for the week. I've had a good week. I had obviously one trade today that didn't play out, one trade yesterday that didn't play out, but overall, stronger week prior to that. Yes, I did MK. Yes, sir. I survived it, but did a 4 lot size. Nice. Oh, Pez, you were saved. Damn, where did I have my stop? I must have my stop just one tick below. Yeah, 30 looks great. I'll take this trade every day. This is like textbook stuff. I would have immediately revenge traded when that happened, but not trade. Yeah, that would have been the old me as well. That's how I blew all my accounts. Thanks, Tommy. What happened? Do you size your trade based on the confidence of the move? Yeah. Yep. Pretty much. Stop loss was like 2 ticks tight. I wouldn't say it was 2 ticks tight because that's my rule, is to put it below the current candle wick. So, you know, if I put it 2 ticks lower and said, oh, it was 2 ticks tight now, and then I put it lower and then it hits that, then I just took a bigger unnecessary loss. The general consensus is if it breaks its own bottom wick after what it did, it's probably going to continue down. In this case, it didn't, but that's fine. It's always fun when you lose a trade and then it goes in the direction that you wanted it. Love to see every day. Show up every day, my dude. I'm here. We can see your pain. My pain, bro. I'm completely neutral. I'm only joking. I really don't give a shit at this point. It's Friday. It's Friday, yeah. Cool as you guys. Well, I'm going to call that a week. I've had a pretty good week. Appreciate you guys. And yeah, losses are part of the game. It's literally a part of the game. It's not even, oh, sometimes it happens. No, it's actually a part of the game. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Thanks for jumping on, and I'll catch you guys on Monday stream. And you guys in the mentorship, I'll see you in the Discord, but we'll catch up on Sunday for the Sunday seminar. Awesome, gang. Peace and prosperity. See ya.